Hello everybody and welcome back to The Rich Life. Today we're having a little fiesta in the kitchen. I'm showing you how to make my favorite mango guacamole. This is a dish that I started making long before Riley was born, and even when she came, I made a little mango avocado puree, and when she got old enough, she was making her own mango guacamole. But you know, since I always like to keep it a little fancy, we're going to add a special touch today with blackened shrimp. It's so delicious, and I'm going to show you how to add that with your own blackening spice. So this is a great dish for Cinco de Mayo, which is right around the corner. It's also just a great dish for any time you feel like Mexican food. I never need an excuse for that, so this is a staple in our house. And one of the best things about making this dish is that I'm gonna tell you what the ingredients are, but the exact measurements are really up to you. It's all about tasting to your personal preference, okay? So that's the fun part. Add some avocado, some mango, add a little bit more mango, a little bit more onion, a little less, a little more salt, a little less salt. It's all up to you. So the basics that you'll need for just the mango guacamole will be chopped avocados. I like to use about 4 good-sized avocados, not too big, not too small. That makes about 6 to 8 servings. We're gonna use red onion, of course, mango, and a little bit of kosher salt and a little bit of pepper. Again, just season to your taste. Oh, I almost forgot. You have to include your lime juice. That is so important. Fresh squeezed lime juice to keep your avocados looking nice. That's what I did right before we started shooting, and that's what you're gonna add throughout your process to make your guacamole have that little extra zing. So what you'll see me using today is my mortar and pestle. Shout out to my brother-in-law, Will, who gave this to me a few Christmases ago, not knowing that one day I would have a show, so thank you for this. But if you don't have this at home, you can always just use a bowl and a masher. That's what we did before we got this. So now that the guacamole is all done, we're going to add the finishing touch, which of course is our blackened shrimp. Now remember, you don't have to over season your guacamole because the heat is going to come from the blackened shrimp. I just love how the sweetness of the mango balances the heat that you get from the blackened shrimp, and it all comes together so well. I know you'll love this recipe if you love guacamole. So I've already pre-mixed my blackening spice according to the measurements that I gave you. But listen, if you like yours a little spicier, just add more cayenne pepper. It's totally up to you, or you can add a little less. I think this one is pretty tolerable because I don't like really, really spicy foods, but again, it's your guacamole. Make it how you like it. Just use these measurements as a guideline. So our mango guacamole with blackened shrimp is all ready. So that means our fiesta at The Rich Life is officially ready to begin. So I've got to go, but I hope you try this. I hope you let me know how it goes as always. And I hope you subscribe to The Rich Life so that you can stay up to date with all of the latest. Until next time, take care everybody.